Hi, I'm Jim McDonald from Wildcard. You know, people ask me, Jim, what's Wildcard all about? What's the need out there that this product serves? Well, you know, if you think about it, if you have a big extended family, I do, 6 brothers and sisters, all over America, I'm always trying to find the perfect gift. And sometimes I resort to buying a plastic gift card at the grocery store and then trying to stuff it in an envelope and FedEx it to them in time for their birthday or a holiday occasion. But Wildcard is about getting rid of the plastic and turning everything into virtual. Literally, your wallet now becomes your phone, because you can, with Wildcard, which is an iPhone, a free application that you download in just a couple of moments, you can now send gift cards to all your friends instantly. They can instantly use them once they receive the email to shop online, or with a barcode that displays on your phone, they can actually go into the retailer. So, you know, America right now is overwhelmed with plastic gift cards. $5 billion worth last year went unused. I don't know about you, but my daughter, a 15-year-old, had a party the other week, and there were gift cards all over the table from her friends and family, and 2 days later, she had left them out there, and they were swept into the junk drawer. $5 billion last year on gift cards never got spent, which is not good for the retailers or the consumers who lose those monies. So Wildcard is about changing the game, basically not only allowing you to instantly send those gift cards to shop online or at retail, but also to track all the gift cards that you give and receive, and also to give you reminders that, hey, that important anniversary is coming up, Jim, and if you forget, your wife's going to clobber you. So again, Jim can program the application to remind him of his niece's birthday coming up or the big anniversary, etc., etc. Why Wildcard? Well, if you have a junk drawer at home that's filled with all kinds of plastic gift cards that you've never gotten around using and you don't know the balance on them anymore, or you're carrying them around in your wallet and one side of your rear end is all swollen up with these giant, plastic cards, Wildcard is about getting away from that and converting to virtual cards that you can instantly use to shop either online or at retail.